Okay, this is after the video. Let's get this Zero in the air.
Welcome to OpenTX. Low rates. Flaps normal. Gear down.
Let's see here. Get this guy on. CB first flight of the day after making a trip into the thorn bushes. Well, first flight of the day, first flight. The voltage sensor hooked up. I don't know if you can see this section. Let's see. There we go. Snug that in. It's my little foam right here. Get this in. Push this guy in. Alright. There.
Middle rates. High rates.
Actually, let's get a little music. Copyrighted material, right? Whatever. Alright, high rates. Alright, we're good, right? Alright. Don't crash on me now, baby. Whew.
Clear up.
Took a little while to take off there.
Middle rates.
Let me bring down the rates here. Oh, it looks like the wind's picking up.
Trim center.
Banking to the left. I'm gonna have to redo this flight surfaces. I guess that trip into the thorn bushes kind of changed the flight characteristics a little bit. Let me try to figure this one out now. Now it's climbing. I might need to redo the elevators. Oh, the gear's not down all the way. We'll bring it back in. Okay. One gear's not going in all the way. The door's not closing. Okay. We'll bring it back in. Where's that wind coming from? From my right. Okay.
High rate.
Oh, that was no good. That busted off the